Good morning, dear student. Dear student, today will we start the new chapter 3. Okay. So, first of all, we shall discuss about the chapter 2 question answer. So maybe I think that long question answer is left. So I will send the question answer in your group. Okay. So then you will be right. So now, and one more thing, student, you have any problem for the subtraction and addition with binary number, so please contact to me personally. Okay, no problem to me. So now let's start the chapter 3rd, mail, merge and macro in Word. Okay student, your third chapter is mail, merge and macro in MS Word. Okay student, yes, so that's your new chapter. So student, in this chapter we shall learn two topics only. Okay, mail merge and what is mail merge and what is macro option. Okay, what's the feature, what's the main role in the formatting. So student, you know that about this application MS Word. Yes, so student, MS Word used for the type some data, okay, and for drafting, for formatting. Okay student, about the MS Word. So in this chapter we shall learn mail merge and recording and running macros. Okay, so student, in your previous class you have learned about formatting text, yes, and inserting table. How will we insert the table in MS Word? So now in this chapter we will learn some time saving features to make our productivity fast. Okay, how? So learn today. So student, mail merge. What is mail merge? First of all, your topic, mail merge. Okay student, what is this? So mail merge, a system for automatically generating pre-address forms, letter, envelopes or labels by combining a database of name and address, okay, with a document, is known as mail merge. Okay student, yes. So a system for automatically generating pre-addressed forms, letters, envelope or labels by combining a database of name and address with a document is known as mail merge. Okay student, so that it allow we to insert data from a data source into the second document. Okay student, yes. So it is frequently used for mass mailing. Okay student, so it is used for creating many documents at once, okay, and that contain identical formatting, layout, text, graphics, etc., and where only information that charges and changes in the letter is the addresses information. That means student, आपने कई सारे जो है एक लेटर, ओके, आपने कोई एक लेटर बनाया है और उससे कई लोगों को, ओके, एक एड्रेस पे सेंड करना है, ओके स्टूडेंट, यस. सो इस पर्पज से हम लोग मेल मर्ज ऑप्शन यूज करते हैं, ओके, यस. यू टाइप वन लेटर and send to the many people, okay, yes. So that for using this option mail merge, okay, you understand why use that mail merge option, yes. आपको एक लेटर कई सारे लोगों को भेजना है एक टाइम में, एट ए टाइम, सो दैट्स यूज दिस ऑप्शन, ओके, मेल मर्ज, यस. So it is used for creating many documents at once that contain identical formatting, layout, text and graphics, etc. So that and where only information that changes in the letter and is the addresses information. Okay, student. Yes, it is also used for generating mailing labels, envelopes, addresses, list, etc. Okay, student. And the mail merge primarily consists of two files: the main document and data source. Okay, and the main document contain the information that will remain the same in each record, and the data source contains all the variable information in the form of field, okay. And when the main document and the data source are merged, MS Word replace each merged field in the main document with data from the respective field contained in data source. Okay, student, yes. So you are familiar already with MS Word. So look the menu, first title bar, and then after menu bar, okay, and then after toolbar. So student, what the step, how to create this option, okay, yeah. So open the MS Word, okay, and you want to use as the letter, and then after click on mailing tab. So first open the MS Word, okay, and second click on mailing tab, okay, student, yes. And then after start mail merge, and third option start mail merge, okay. So that's follow the step one by one, and maybe near about 20-30 step for the apply mail merge option, okay, yeah, with your letter and with your document, okay student, yes. So आप किसी एक लेटर को स्टूडेंट कई सारे जो है एड्रेस पे लिस्ट पे सेंड करने हैं, तो इसके लिए हम लोग स्टूडेंट मेल मर्ज का ऑप्शन यूज करते हैं, अंडरस्टैंड. सो मे बी 730 स्टेप इन योर मेल मर्ज option, okay student, yes. And so look the book and apply the step, okay, yes. And then after second option is macros, okay student, clear about the mail merge. So that very simple, mail merge used for the one letter and send to the many people. Okay, many people at a time. Okay student, clear? Yes, suppose you have a company, okay, and you have a many list and many address of the staff and for the other company, okay, executive and director and chairman. Okay, yes, you have many addresses in your system. Yes, so that's send the letter to the many people at a time, so used for that option. Okay student, clear? Yes, आपके पास कोई एक कंपनी है स्टूडेंट, और उसे आप कई सारे स्टाफ को या किसी अदर कंपनी के हेड को आपको देना है इनविटेशन एंड अदरवाइज लेटर. ओके, यस, एनी टाइप लेटर एंड सपोज फाइल डॉक्यूमेंट, सो दैट यूज फॉर द मेल मर्ज. इससे क्या है, आपको एक लेटर को 1 by 1 सेंड नहीं करना होगा स्टूडेंट, 1 by 1. ओके, आपको एड्रेसेस just like suppose letter, you type any letter, you create any letter for that, so automatic student वो लिख करके आ जाएगा to the that address. Okay, and then after your matter, okay, which one you want, and then after thanks, regard, okay, yes, etc. a matter fill automatic in your letter. Okay student, yes, suppose दैट्स योर लेटर. ओके, तो आपने देखा होगा स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे टू द एड्रेस, ओके, एंड देन आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट एंड देन आफ्टर योर मैटर. ओके, एंड इन लास्ट रिगार्ड एंड थैंक्स, ओके, एक्सेट्रा. यस, दैट्स डिपेंड ऑन योर विच टाइप मैटर. ओके, यस स्टूडेंट, सो ओनली टाइप द मैटर and set the to that different people, so that's feel automatic. Okay student, yes, so इसलिए स्टूडेंट मेल मर्ज का ऑप्शन यूज होता है एक लेटर को आप कई सारे लोगों को एक साथ भेजने के लिए स्टूडेंट. ओके, एंड योर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मैक्रो. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो मैक्रो option is very useful for that shortcut key. We can say that in the other word, macro option is the shortcut key. Okay, for the big, not big and one sentence. Okay, yes, we can say that this is a shortcut key for the sentence. And which type sentence? So which one? That means जो सेंटेंस बार बार रिपीट होते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, यस, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, एक शॉर्टकट की बना लेते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, यस, सपोज आपको बार बार कुछ लिखना पड़ रहा है लेटर में. ओके, यस, सपोज आप कोई टाइप कर रहे हैं, इसे स्कूल, आपको बार बार लेटर में टाइप करना पड़ रहा है, तो इसके लिए स्टूडेंट क्या होता है, आप एस कीबोर्ड से डाटा एंटर करते हैं, तो SCH, ओके, OOL, ये आप टाइप करोगे 4 and 5 लेटर. सो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, एक स्कूल के लिए एक शॉर्टकट की बना लेंगे स्टूडेंट. ओके, यस, और आप Alt + एनी की आप प्रेस करोगे तो वो क्या होगा, वो ऑटोमेटिक फिर स्कूल वो टाइप हो जाएगा आपके लिए. फिर वो क्या होगा, इजी होगा स्टूडेंट. केवल वन शॉर्टकट की से आपका क्या हुआ, स्कूल राइट हो गया. ओके, यस, सो दैट मीन्स macro option. Okay, this option is very useful. That okay, so yes, so a macro is a sequence of key strokes. Okay, yes, and instruction that a user record and saves. So when you want to execute the same series of instruction, execute the macro instead. In another words, it is a shortcut. Okay, yes, मैंने पहले ही बोला स्टूडेंट. ओके, आई एम टेलिंग टू यू, इट इज ए शॉर्टकट टू ए टास्क. ओके, सो वी डू रिपीटेडली. ओके, इट सेव्स our time by combining a series of action. Okay student, yes. So into a single command. Okay student, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला आपको. And that for example, if we are repeatedly type a long introduction at the beginning of a document, so create a word macro. Okay, and that does that for you. Okay student, yeah. So this option have available on the view tab. Okay student, yeah. So let's click on view tab. Okay student, yes. And then after click on macro option. Okay student, clear about the macro, and that to specify a keyboard shortcut for a macro. Okay, so press and hold down the alt key as you press a letter or number. Okay student, yes. So आप alt key के साथ नंबर या जो है लेटर दैट मीन्स अल्फाबेट की प्रेस करके आप मैक्रो ऑप्शन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट. ओके, यस. तो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल एंड नॉट टू मच स्टेप हियर. ओके, मे बी 11 स्टेप फॉर यूज द मैक्रो. ओके स्टूडेंट, यस. एंड देन आफ्टर टू रन ए macro using the macro window student. Okay, and then your topic may be completed. Okay, yes. So this is a very short chapter, not too much long. Okay, yeah. So read about the mail merge and macro, and if you have the system, so please follow the step about the mail merge and macro. Okay, so do the practice with the step according your book. So in the next class student, we shall discuss about the question answer. Thank you so much. And one more thing student, so I will send today the long answer from the chapter 2. So please write down in your notebook. Okay, I will send your text in your group. Thank you so much student. Have a good day.